Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Peace be upon us all. Allow me, Dwi Oktaria, as postgraduate students in guidance and counseling at the Indonesian University of Education, to present the result of my simple research related to the phenomenon of academic burnout among students at SMPN 36 Bekasi. My title is Exploring Academic Burnout Among Junior High School Students Through Focus Group Discussion. The crisis of academic burnout in 21st century education. Academic burnout is a growing global mental health challenge, particularly critical within the dense academic context of Indonesia. It is defined by three core dimensions: emotional exhaustion, profound mental and physical fatigue, cynicism and detachment, a negative, distant attitude towards school activities, reduced efficacy, a sense of incompetence, and declining academic achievement. In junior high school, this syndrome is exacerbated by challenging academic transition coupled with the psychological and social turbulence of puberty, creating a high-risk environment for chronic stress and mental fatigue. The study aims to provide a contextual foundation for designing effective student-centered intervention programs by investigating burnout through the perspective of students and teachers at SMP Negeri 36 Kota Bekasi. Study objective, the preliminary qualitative study employed the FGD's method to capture the subject reality of academic burnout. The research was guided by three core questions designed to explore the issue comprehensively. First, contributing factors. What internal school and external, family and social factors contribute to emergence of academic burnout? Second, symptoms expression. How are the symptoms of academic burnout experienced and displayed by junior high school students in their daily lives, behaviorally, emotionally, and physically? Uh, Third, intervention strategies. What coping strategies and mechanisms are employed by students and teachers to prevent and address academic burnout? Methodology and participant. The study utilized an exploratory qualitative design suitable for gaining an in-depth understanding of a complex social phenomenon in its natural setting. Purposive sampling was used to select two groups of key stakeholders at SMP Negeri 36 Kota Bekasi. 10 of 8 students selected based on objective criteria: history of unexcused absence, chronic delay, assignment submission, and documented academic decline. 6 teacher, homeroom teacher, selected based on minimum 5 years of experience and prior experience handling students showing signs of burnout. Data was collected via two separate FGDs, 15 minutes for students, 60 minutes for teacher, and analyze using thematic analysis to identify patterns and themes. The trilogy of burnout. Uh, Behavior disengagement. Symptoms include social withdrawal, chatting during lesson, frequent non-urgent class departures, and chronic procrastination and failure to submit assignment. Emotional and affective. Students show poor emotional regulation, exhibiting increased irritability, restlessness, and disrespectful behavior, reflecting growing cynicism towards school activities. Physical exhaustion. Deep fatigue is expressed through behaviors like sleeping in class, lack of movement, and increased absenteeism, uh, sig- signifying chronic energy depletion. Interestingly, these symptoms were found to be most prevalent among grade 7 students, attribute to the difficulties in adapting to junior high school and mastering foundational material. Internal and external factor fueling academic burnout. The root causes of burnout stem from a combination of unsupportive factor within and outside the school environment. The role of external pressure, home and digital life, uncontrolled gadget use, excessive use of digital technology, especially late at night, directly lead to sleep deprivation. This lack of restorative sleep is highly correlated with increased fatigue and reduced motivation, creating a psychological precursor to burnout. High parental expectation. Parenting style emphasizing high demand without adequate emotional support. Authoritarian parenting create intense psychological pressure. This lack of parental responsiveness and emotional support leaves students vulnerable to emotion, exhaustion, and cynicism towards school. Multi-phase impact on performance and well-being. Academic burnout has profound negative consequence affecting, affecting both the cognitive abilities and emotional state of the students. Cognitive decline reflected directly in declining academic performance and lower report card grades, stemming from chronic inattention, procrastination, and non-attendance. Affective deterioration. Students show poor emotional regulation, leading to increased irritability, lack of respect, and overall deterioration of social relationship with peers and teachers. Threat to development. If addresses, burnout threaten not only academic success but also the students' long-term psychosocial well-being and emotional development during a critical adolescence phase. Coping and intervention, a collaborative systemic approach to prevention, where a subject and homeroom teacher, initial detection and daily support for behavioral symptoms in class. School counselor, uh, psycho- psychoeducational intervention, and emotional support for students. Integrated collaboration, uniting resources and perspective for a holistic and sustained response to burnout. Parents and family address to root cause at home, ensuring balanced parenting and sleep hygiene. This is a teacher at SMP Negeri 36 Kota Bekasi recognize the need for a comprehensive intervention strategy involving all stakeholders in students' ecosystem. This is system approach aligned with Brown Funbrenner's ecological system theory. By addressing both the school-based symptoms and root causes at home, school can build a stronger support system for recovery and resilience. Conclusion and future direction. Essential intervention for junior high resilience is immediate action, policy, police, and training. intervention must focus on improving the quality of classroom learning and enhancing social support uh, from families. Teacher capacity building inspired students centered instructional strategies, psychoeducational programs for parents, and balanced supportive uh, parenting styles, strengthening uh, early detection system within school counseling services. Future research scope, the generalized and deepen understanding. Further investigation is needed. Expand the sample scope geographically and culturally within Indonesia. Develop standardized and culturally adaptive assessment instruments for academic burnout, design and test evidence-based intervention model contextualized to the local education system. Further exploration of protective factors and student resilience mechanism is a critical area for deeper investigation to build proactive mental health strategies. Fostering resilience, shared responsibility. Academic burnout demands our collective attention. By understanding its complex drivers and implementing holistic, collaborative strategies, we can empower junior high students to thrive academically and emotionally, building a foundation for lifelong well being. Thank you.